Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to switch your Facebook account to a page. Whether you're managing multiple pages or transitioning from your personal profile, this updated process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen if you're using Android, or at the bottom right for iOS users. Tap on it to proceed. Next, locate the drop-down arrow at the top of the menu. This arrow lets you access different profiles and pages linked to your account. Tap on the arrow, and a list of profiles and pages will appear. Now, simply select the name of your page from the list. Once you tap on it, Facebook will switch your account view to that specific page. You'll now be interacting as your page instead of your personal profile. And that's it. You've successfully switched your Facebook account to a page. This feature is perfect for managing business pages or public profiles without logging out or navigating through complicated settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from these steps. Have a great day.